Bright Sedok, a graduate who has been unemployed since 2014, voices frustration over some persons who have attained the statutory age of retirement and are still holding onto their positions as being part of the unemployment situation.
I want to increase our fathers and our mothers who have already been working over 20 years, over 25 years. You still want to keep them in the system to work to 65 years before they retire. At what point will they leave for the young ones who are coming out of school to get chances with the experience they have and then the capital they have accumulated over the years? But I rather want a young graduate who is coming out from the university or the polytechnics right after national service should start up his business. How many of those businesses will last?
James Jack Dawson, who is 60 years old and still in active employment, indicates his inability to give birth early has compelled him still work in order to cater for his teenage children.
I have been working for certain obvious reasons. The reasons are: one, I have young children that I have to take care of while they are in school. I have 3 children and I have to work and make sure that they also go to school and complete their education. Now, there are some other reasons why a lot of us are still working after pension. These are some of the issues. Sometimes some people change their age, and then by the time they become 60, then they look younger on the paper. But in actual fact, they are tired and they want to work.
The debate for an extension of the retirement age to 65 years has become topical in recent times as to whether governments will have a legislative act to back this call. Only time will tell.